Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Food with Dread, and welcome to the new series of Cooking with Dread. And to start this series off, I thought I'd do something that we really enjoy eating here at home, which is gnocchi with beef ragu. This beef ragu that I'm doing, I'm actually going to be utilizing one of my favorite tools here in the kitchen to use to cook, which is the multi-cooker or a pressure cooker. Same thing, if you got one of those, I highly recommend you get one if you don't have one, because it does help out in those situations where you don't have much time to whip up something delicious. And yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing today. A beef ragu, which you can pair with things like pasta, polenta, rice, mashed potato, a few different things you can pair it up with. Tonight, we're going to be doing it with gnocchi. Okay, so first of all, let's go through what you're going to need for today's ragu. Okay, first of all, I'm going to be using some beef stock. I'm going to be using some cinnamon. I'm going to be using some allspice ground, some dry oregano. I'm also going to use some thyme. Now you can use some dry thyme if you want. I'm using some fresh ones. Some pepper, salt, some bay leaves, some tomato paste. I'm going to get a can of peeled tomatoes here, an onion. We're going to use about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic, 2 ribs of celery sticks, carrots, some olive oil. You don't have to, but to give it a bit of extra flavor, some red wine like a Merlot, cab sauv, something like that would be nice. And meat. Now with the meat, I'll get something cheap like the slow cooked chuck. This one here is 1.2 kilos for about $22. The only thing we're going to do with that is probably remove a bit of the fat. So yeah, that's it guys. Let's not waste any more time and let's cook this. Now, salt, some white pepper, some oregano, cinnamon, some allspice, put it on manual, 35 minutes. Wow, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Smells amazing. Final touch, bit of parmesan on top. Voila. Okay, last thing we need to do is taste it. Look at the meat. Wow, beautiful. Gnocchi. The ragu just tastes just as good if you would have cooked it for, 3, 4, 5 hours throughout the day. 35 minutes in the pressure cooker or the multi-cooker. Wow. Oh, there you go. That's it. That's a ragu with the gnocchi. As I said, you can have it with polenta. You can have it with some other pasta. You can have it with rice. You can have a mashed potato with whatever you like. But if you like this episode and you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, because on the next episode I will show you how to make the gnocchi, the homemade gnocchi that I've made here. I'll show you guys how we make it. Nice and easy too. All right, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Give us a like, leave us a comment. Till next time, God bless. Peace.